Welcome back to the video, viewers. We're just checking out the bars at the bottom of the Hotel Ponderosa. See what we've got here. Here we go, Calypso Cafe Bar. Absolutely packed. Must be a good bar. And more private apartments just there. And the Olympia apartments. Have you stayed in any of these? Let me know. See what you think. What we got next door? Next door to that, I believe, is the Olympia there, and the ocean view next door. Walkways down towards the beach and stuff down there. Don't know what's down here, so I think we'll have a quick walk and just see what we can find. Let me know if you've been around here before, or let me know what these apartments are like. Are they worth going in and having a look? They look pretty nice. But appearances can be deceiving, as we all know. Looks like there's a lot of private villas on this side as well. Are these for rent? To let me know. Private property. One for let or rent up there. Yeah, so you must be able to rent them. Another apartment block just at the side. Have you been in any of them? Or are they just private? Or... Oh, I found the name of that. Virginia. Maybe on Airbnb. But, looking over here. The ocean view apartments. Check out the sun terrace there. Maybe I'll have to do a tour of that. See what it's really like. So walking over here a bit more. Oops. Some more shops just up there. So food and drinks, bibadas. Another supermarket, Frutera fruit shop. What else we got? More little shops just under there. So this is an area I've not necessarily been in. But they look like a lot of privately rented accommodation round here. And there you have it. Los Agabas. Looks like private community, however, I bet you can rent them. Let me know. Scooters. They seem to be everywhere these days. So continuing on, folk, wasn't really a lot to see from up there to here, so we'll continue the video here. That road terminates where you can see the Hotel Troya. That is the Palm Beach Hotel Gala outside Tenerife. We'll take a quick walk up here and see what we got. So quick look. Supermarket just across there. Another excursion place here. Yeah. Coffee family. Pizzas and snacks just there. Just up here is Apart Hotel Caribas. And do you add a bit more? See where it terminates. Do we have bars and such like over here? Another Calle Street, if you like, up there. A few more bars. Sorry about the bus and the lorry. Here's the and here is the Paraiso del Sol apartments. So if you enjoyed what you saw in the video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for further notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.